Hello, I'm really excited to be doing this open elective course on leadership styles. As you might know, leadership is one of the most discussed management areas. And as Peter Drucker said, only three things happen naturally in organizations: friction, confusion, and underperformance. Everything else requires leadership. Peter Drucker, as you know, is one of the seers of management over the last several years. What are we going to do in this open elective of one credit? We're going to talk about what are the various styles of leadership that are available to people who either lead or manage within and outside of organizations, and what kind of styles they might like to adopt dependent upon the context, dependent upon the quality of their followers, and various other parameters that might come into play. It's important to understand that leadership has become even more important in today's age simply because we are living in a complicated and complex world, made much more so post the corona pandemic, which occurred a couple of years ago. So welcome to my course on leadership styles, and I hope that you will have a wonderful learning in this particular course. There is nothing more important than leadership today. Thank you.